Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cook County in northeast Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, northern Will County in northeast Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from north of Aurora to 7 miles north of Morris and moving east at 50 miles per hour. The location with these storms has shown signs of weakening. However, the straight line winds are looking more significant. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Naperville, Plainfield, Wheaton, Glen Ellen, Lisle, Bolingbrook, Lombard, Romeoville, Joliet, Downers Grove, York Center, Westmont, Lockport, Oak Brook, Lamont, Ingalls Park, Hinsdale, Burridge, New Lenox, and Homer Glen. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Argonne National Laboratory, Benedictine University, Brookfield 2, Chicago Land Speedway Route 66 Raceway, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Did I unplug anything?
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7:15 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms from 20 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to 55 nautical miles southwest of Northerly Island, moving east at 30 knots. These storms are capable of producing strong gusty winds to 40 knots, large hail and locally highways and very choppy waters. These thunderstorms will be near Wilmette Harbor around 6:35 p.m., Northerly Island around 6:40 p.m., Calumet Harbor around 6:55 p.m. Isolated smaller thunderstorms have been developing ahead of the main line of storms and were over or very near the Illinois nearshore waters. Orders should be safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning was occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Everyone on board should already have their personal flotation device on. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday morning for northeast Illinois, northwest Indiana, and the Illinois and Indiana waters of southern Lake Michigan. A severe